Hello, I'm Carey Perschke, Manager for WAGO's Custom Products and Engineering Services. Today I would like to talk to you about our D-Sub Mini breakout modules for solderless field termination. The D-Sub Mini series offers push-in cage clamp terminals for quick, easy, and maintenance-free wiring of field connections. We have D-Sub Mini modules available for 9, 15, 25, and 26 pin male and female connectors. Two versions are available to fit your application needs. The multi-mount kit versions feature pre-configured holes in the PCB for DIN rail mounting, or mating connector mounting. All mounting hardware is included. Extra holes in the PCB are also provided for wire tie cable strain relief. The shielded hood versions features everything you need to create a D-Sub cable: hood, hardware, field wireable D-Sub, and wire removal tool. All versions are extremely compact to reduce the overall footprint. The D-Sub Mini series is ideal for applications requiring field wiring D-Subs like PCs, PLCs, HMIs, lab and test equipment, motor drives, as well as printers and scanners. We can also design, manufacture other versions of these modules if needed. To find out more, click on the link in the text above, and to request a sample, go to www.wago.com/US/dsub-request. Thank you and have a great day.